In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit points in PowerPoint, a handy feature that allows you greater creative control over your presentations. Whether you're working on a professional presentation or a school project, understanding how to modify shapes with precision can make your slides much more visually appealing. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure you have a licensed copy of Microsoft PowerPoint ready to go. If it's already installed, just double click the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or find it in your list of applications. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation you would like to edit. You can open an existing file by clicking on File in the top left corner and selecting Open. Browse through your files and select the presentation that you're working on. After you have your presentation open, go to the slide that contains the shape you want to edit. This could be any slide where you've inserted a shape that you think could benefit from a bit of customization. It's important that you select the correct slide to save yourself time and effort. Now click on the shape you want to modify. You'll see small boxes or handles appear around it, indicating that the shape is selected and ready to be edited. Next, look for the Shape Format tab, which will appear on the ribbon at the top of your window once you've selected your shape. If you're using a different version of PowerPoint, this might be labeled differently, or you may need to click on a Format tab first to find it. Within the Shape Format tab, locate the Edit Shape option. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. The option you're interested in is Edit Points. Clicking here will allow you to make more detailed adjustments to your shape. Once you've clicked Edit Points, you'll see that the outline of your shape changes to display tiny black squares or handles at various points along the outline. These points can be clicked and dragged to adjust the shape precisely how you want it. Feel free to experiment with moving these points around to tweak the curvature and angles of your shape. With these tools at your disposal, you can reshape your object to suit your creative vision precisely. Whether you're tweaking a simple rectangle or adjusting a complex freeform shape, these steps will guide you through making those precise edits. And there you have it. Editing points in PowerPoint is a straightforward process once you get the hang of it. With patience and practice, you'll be able to master this skill and produce polished, professional-looking slides that really capture your audience's attention. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.